The Indian Defence Ministry has cancelled two major import contracts worth over $2.5 billion, which includes the procurement of 93,895 Car-817 carbines from a UAE-based company, and the import of 104 K30 self-propelled air defense systems from South Korea, and both these contracts will now be placed under the Make in India initiative to give a boost to the domestic industry. The two programs comes as a welcome surprise for the Indian private sector, which has developed the required capabilities over the past few years to manufacture such systems domestically. The special operatives of the Indian Air Force are set to receive a significant boost to their firepower, as the Air Force has issued an invitation of bids seeking 2,992 units of drum magazines for the Israeli Tar-21 rifles, and the interested companies must respond before 1st October. The Garud commandos use a wide variety of Teva variants, therefore the drum magazines should be compatible with all variants. Each drum magazine would hold 60 rounds of ammunition, while the current standard issue conventional magazine holds only 30 rounds. India and US have signed a statement of intent to strengthen the bilateral dialogue on defense technology cooperation and create opportunities for co-production and co-development of military equipment. The statement was signed by the Indian Secretary of Defense Production and the US Under-Secretary of Defense for Acquisition and Sustainment, and the two sides also discussed collaborative opportunities, including a number of near-term projects targeted for completion on priority basis. The Indian Army had recently announced its plan to procure 198 wheeled armored fighting vehicles for reconnaissance and providing support to tank regiments, and as per latest reports, the DRDO developed 8x8 wheeled armored platform could be ordered soon, that will be equipped with anti-tank system and 12.7mm heavy machine gun mounted on a remote-controlled station. The Indian Army is also testing the Kalyani M4 armored protected fighting vehicle, Paramount Maverick 4-wheeled light armored internal security vehicle, and Werewolf Mark II modular mine protected vehicle, and all these vehicles have recently been moved to the Ladakh sector for the last leg of testing. At the meeting of the National Security Advisors of all the member states of the Shanghai Cooperation Organization that was hosted by Russia, the Pakistani NSA deliberately projected a fictitious map that depicted sovereign Indian territories as part of Pakistan, after which the Indian National Security Advisor Ajit Doval walked out of the virtual meeting. The Pakistani side was in violation of the norms of the meeting, and it was a blatant violation of the SCO Charter. As far as changing of map is concerned, Pakistan seems to have completely forgotten how India changed its map in 1971. The Indian Armed Forces are making an extraordinary attempt to provide logistic support to the brave soldiers deployed in forward areas, where more than 50,000 Indian troops are likely to remain stationed through the winter months. The Chief of Staff of the Indian Army's 14th Corps has said that all the needed supplies have already been pushed to wherever they are required.
हम फायर एंड फ्यूरी कोर में अपने एडवांस विंटर स्टॉकिंग और फॉरवर्ड विंटर स्टॉकिंग पे बहुत गर्व रखते हैं। आज हमारी स्टॉकिंग लेवल्स, चाहे वो राशंस की हो, फ्यूल, ऑयल्स या लुब्रिकेंट्स की हो, टेंटेज की हो, हीटिंग अप्लायंसेस की हो, जिसमें बुखारी और केरो हीटर शामिल हैं, या एमुनिशन की हो, बहुत अच्छे नंबर्स में हैं। भारत माता की जय! भारत माता की जय! भारत माता की जय!